Good day, all. Welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Preppers. So, about a week and a half ago, on our community wall, I did a poll asking the question if white South Africans were afforded the opportunity to get a homeland. So, a homeland referring to something like the Zulus have or the Xhosas have. So the Zulus, they have got parts of what they call Zululand or within KZN. So that is what we call tribal land. So it is specifically owned by the Zulu people. And obviously if you are from that specific tribe, then you have got a right within that area. And if I understand it correctly, some family members then actually get the opportunity to own a piece of land within that tribal area as well, where they can then build a house. And this is obviously all tax-free because they don't get charged rates and taxes on that specific tribal land area. So the question that I asked was if white South Africans should get the opportunity to have a homeland, what would the reaction be from the community members on this channel? So I'll put up the results. So we had 222 votes, which I think for a poll and for a small channel this size, it's quite good. So 80% of you actually said that you would literally sell everything and you would move to the homeland. So out of the 222 votes, 177.6, okay, 177 said that they would literally sell everything in South Africa and then they will resettle within the homeland for white South Africans only. The second option I said is that you can use the homeland as a base. In other words, you'll probably still work outside in South Africa somewhere, but you will refer back to the homeland, which a lot of black people in South Africa do. They sometimes work within a city somewhere, but they still have a piece of land in the tribal areas where they build a house and where they prepare for when they go retire one day. And where they actually sort of almost govern over themselves. And then the last option, so 13% said they would use it as a base. And then the last option that I gave, which is quite controversial, I'm not sure who voted for this, but I just said, no, white people don't need a homeland. And we actually had 7% of people voting for no, white people don't need a homeland. I would almost assume that's maybe not even white voters that actually voted for that. So let me know what you think of the poll in the description. Drop a comment and tell me what you think about this. I've said this before, we need to talk about this more and more. Because for white South Africans, for us to retain our culture and identity and who we are, ultimately that is going to be the only solution, long-term solution, because I do believe that taking up refugee status in America is not a long-term solution for our nation, and that is the Boer nation. God bless.